Yes, people, welcome to my new YouTube channel, All Things Mother. Today I'm going to be cooking up some Caribbean stew chicken from scratch. So for yous that have been asking, it's coming. I'm going to be going to one of my good friends, Tommy B, Benthams Butchers. I'll tag him. Get there, best butcher in the northwest, probably England, he'd probably say. So yeah, I travel down there. I'm gonna then go to a place called Doha, I think it's Drylesden. Go and get some goat meat in the top Afro-Caribbean shop there. Got everything, go and get all my spices. Yeah, and I'll run you through the process of how I do it. Might not be to everyone's liking how they do it, but it tastes absolutely banging. Shower, outfit check. What do you reckon, glasses or no glasses? Huh? I think I suit the glasses, me, to be fair. Off to get me meat. Let's go! Dog! Yeah! Know me, dog! Whoop! 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 There he is. The best butchers around. We've got everything. Let's go and see what he's got for me.
That's all I need today, mate. This one we...
So, 1 minute, son. So this is where we get the meat from, the goat. We've got everything. So let's have a look. Right, sound. Let's have a look what they've got. Check the meats here. And this is what we got meat wise. We got kilogram of goat, we got some mince meat, got 2 ribeyes for during the week. The best about, to be fair. It was 20 quid. Got 15 chicken legs. Now they're not just the ordinary chicken legs, it's the proper shit. The proper shit, and I'm talking the proper shit. I'll get one out in a minute. I asked for 15 chicken legs. He's giving me 15 chickens, basically. We've got the chicken thighs. Yeah, the best about again. Got the 8 pork sausages. I got some plantain. Obviously, I've got to get the plantain. Some brown sugar for today. But now, let me just put my glove on for this, because these chicken legs are silly. And I've just been messaging him now. Check the size of these bad boys. These ain't no joke. Look at the fucking size of them. So yeah, first video is wash your meat. Look at the state of that. Always wash our meat. Pause. Not in a sexual way. Always wash your meat. I do anyway. Not everyone does. Maybe I've got it off my nana and granddad, a cultural thing. But I do always wash my meat. I'll give it another little one. Don't want it to splash everywhere though. Alright, so this is the seasons I use. But all purpose, will do. Teaspoon of that. In fact, I'm going to teaspoon and a half. Just because I'm making a bit of a big pot here. For a couple of the family members. Got chicken seasoning. Love the chicken seasoning. Love the chicken seasoning. Teaspoon of that. Teaspoon and a half even. But also, always taste your liking. Always taste your liking when you're doing your mix. Onion powder. Onion powder. Again. teaspoon of that. Garlic powder. I love garlic. I love the garlic. Teaspoon of that. Black pepper. Teaspoon of that. Got some mixed herbs. We'll throw that in now. Teaspoon of that onto the meat. Alright. And we'll just give them a bit of a mix. And this is going onto the meat. Kyle in the background. Trying to feed mum. And we'll put that in. I always leave a little bit back as well. Always leave a little bit back, but I'm not going to. You can always add to the taste, however. Alright. And then we mix. First of all, let me get my ground pimento. Got my little ground pimento. You can get seeds as well. Alright. Add a bit of that. And we will add. What have we not got? Where is it? Paprika. That's what I forgot to get from the shop, to be fair. Again, tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, depending on how much you are cooking for. And then we give it a mix. Got my little gloves. Got my little gloves for this occasion. It's a bit of a mess. So what I've done, I've just added some peppers, onions, scallion, 4 cloves of garlic to this, about half an onion, about 1 or 2 peppers. That's ready to go now. It's been resting for a good hour and a half, 2 hours. Also, yeah, a bit of time into the mix as well. Just while I wait for the brown sugar to like bubble up. And then I'll put our meat into the pan. Can help it, just don't put all the onions and stuff yet, otherwise it's really browning it up. Nice, lovely colour. So what I've done here now is I've just took the chicken out of the pan and I put the rest of the onions, scallion, garlic and peppers in just to fry a little, bit of added extra flavour. So once they're sautéed a bit, we'll then put the meat back in. Meat's gone back in now, medium heat, and we're just going to let that cook in its own juices. Don't need to add any water. That cook in its own juices now for about 5 to 10 minutes max, and you'll see the outcome of the juices on their own. Now this is why I wash my rice. Look at that, look at the state of that. Yeah. Now watch the outcome of when I've washed it. Always wash my rice. This is why. And there we have it. That's why I wash my rice. Nice clean rice. So into my pan for the rice, we've got water, put some butter in. Nice son. Coconut milk. I am doing a video. Put them all purpose. No. That's why she's slipping. Get pepper. Oh, This one. This. Just this. A little touch of salt. Rice has now been added. You just want it so it's the water just above the rice. We're going to cover that and leave that now medium to low heat for about 10 minutes. Been about 4 or 5 minutes now. Just watch the juices that are in this. On their own juices, no water added. Yeah. And if you can see it. Hard to film and cook at the same time, you see. But yeah. Got its own juices in that. Give it a stir. Another couple of minutes. Could add some water. All I've done here is added some water to the original mix with the original spices that got put in, and that's then going to go in here, which we can probably put in now. Just trying to show you if we can get, you see its own juices there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, lovely. Give this a little bit of a mix. Nice. Looking nice. I'm just going to pour that mix. Pour it in. Pour it in. In about 15 minutes now, just going to add a touch of ketchup. And a little tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm just going to show you. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes now. Water's just on the top. I'm going to cover it. So I'm going to cover it. Alright. But you know, one out my hands. I'll cover it. Put it back on. And low heat for another 5 to 10 minutes, and just let the water evaporate, and I'm going to leave it, turn it off, and I'm going to leave it standing for about 5 minutes. Do a bit of planting. Now, this is absolutely lovely. Just fry all that. Bish bash bosh. Bit of oil in the pan. And we're just gonna lightly fry these bad boys. Bit of plantain. Also, don't take your eye off your plantain if you're cooking it, because I promise you you'll burn it. Just keep flipping. Keep flipping. You cook quick, to be fair. Look. And there we have a lovely, baked, golden plantain. Been about 10 minutes now, and look at that. Honestly. Look at the rice. Absolutely perfect. Food done. Banging, what we saying, Lee?
Sweet.
Banging. Out of 10, what do you reckon? Out of 10.
Fuck off, mate. Don't put me on camera.
Yes, peeps, cooking all done. Food was lovely. Family enjoyed it. So if you did, like, comment, subscribe. Share my videos. Be much appreciated. On to the next one. Cheers, guys.